in the garden, sometimes we hold on to plants thinking that they will continue to produce. However, there comes a time when you have to cut your losses and move on. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today, we're going to remove the tomatoes from my tomato grow bags and refurbish the bags in preparation for fall planting. So these are the grow bags that we're looking at, and we're going to remove the tomatoes from them, and then we're going to add more soil into the bags so that they're pretty much completely filled. Now, before we remove the plants, we have to make the soil. So come along with me while we do that. So in my gorilla wagon here, we have a 11-pound brick cocoa core here. And before we can make the soil, we have to wet this and let it break down back into its natural form. So we're going to add a bunch of water to this. Now we've put in a lot of water into the wagon, and we're allowing the brick to soak it up. And we're going to come back in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and hopefully we will have the brick soften up enough. May have to add some more water to it, but we're on our way. So as you can see, we have the brick broken down into its true form. Now we're going to add some amendments to it in the form of biochar, worm castings, and some blood and bone meal. So we have our soil all mixed up. At the end, I ended up adding some perlite to it. We got it mixed thoroughly. I thought my wagon was big enough for the 11-pound brick, but not so much. So in the future, I may try breaking the brick in half first. But we have enough to, or should have enough to fill those grow bags over there. We're going to go ahead and remove the plants now. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut these off at the soil level. And then we're going to cut the twine and try rolling them up and just taking them on over to the burn pile. So we have removed all of the tomatoes and we've cut them down to the soil level inside the grow bags. And now what we're going to do is fill up the bags, each and every bag. And what we're going to do is this. Okay, and this one is done. We'll put the drip line back in. We'll do the same thing with this one. And this one is done. I'm going to go down the row and do all the rest of these and come back. So we got all the bags filled and they are looking good. And I fixed one of my drip line connections that was squirting water everywhere. So now I've always wanted to plant or grow American leeks. So in the first two containers here, I'm going to plant some leeks. This is a variety called large American flag, and we're going to plant some in the first two. The seeds look like onions, so that means they don't have to be planted or shouldn't have to be planted very deeply. And I'm just going to brush the dirt around a little bit where I dropped them. And stick a label in. And we're going to do the same thing for this one. And spread them around, spread the soil rather back over them. And stick the label in. I have some extra ones that I'm going to put in this one. And so I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this project. I hope you got some out of it. We refurbished revamped and revitalized my tomato grow containers. And there were, let's see, 5, and 5 is 10. So there were 10 of them that we did that to. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. While you're commenting, think about subscribing to my channel if you already haven't. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I cannot grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.